without discrimination, that goes beyond the border of nations.
For all the things you have done for me,
I need you like the morning light. I need you like the morning light. For all the things that you do to me, I need you like the morning light. Oh, I need you like the morning light. For all the things that you do to me, I need you like the morning light. No, I gave in to the fire. I need you like the morning light. I need you like the morning light. I need you like the morning light. I need you like the morning light.
Beneficiaries. I am Altea Abundo Bustillo, one of the child beneficiaries from Barangay Ambago. Currently pursuing a Bachelor of Science of Criminology at St. Joseph Institute of Technology. I am excited to announce that I will be graduating this coming Wednesday, June 26, 2024. I am deeply grateful for the profound changes that have taken place with me ever since I embraced the opportunity to be an child beneficiary. It goes beyond simply receiving gifts from generous individuals. It is our realizations of the fortune I have to be amongst the chosen ones. There was a time when I lived in my own little world, interacting with only few people and failing to appreciate the excellence around me. I lacked determination and often let opportunities pass me by without a second thought. However, everything changed when a group of remarkable individuals approached me to be part of this organization. The transformation was gradual but significant. I started to see the world from different perspectives, understanding the importance of education and the impact it had on my response. This organization not only helped me improve academically, but also instilled me in a sense of bravery and determination to strive for excellence. As I reflect on my journey, I am amazed at the person I have become. The changes in my personality have made me love myself even more. And I have newfound sense of purpose and direction. I feel empowered to pursue my dreams with vigor and passion, knowing that I have the support of those who believe in me. I am forever grateful for the opportunities that this child benefactors has provided me and the positive influence it has had on my life. It has allowed me to fulfill my goals, approach challenges with determination, and embrace a brighter future with confidence. I stand here today as a testament to the transformative power of education and the unwavering support of those who believe in me. I am Altea Bustillo, a proud and child beneficiary for 12 years, who has embraced change, growth, and endless possibilities that lie ahead. To all aspiring individuals, I urge you to recognize the importance of education and the impact it had on your life. Whether it's pursuing your dreams, overcoming obstacles, or discovering your true potentials, education is the key to unlocking a world of possibilities. Take advantage of this opportunity, as it is uncommon in today's world to find some kind enough to support our education. I speak from experience when I say the path may not always be easy and sacrifices may need to be made. I too faced challenges, and uncertainties along the way. But through hard work, perseverance, and the support of the generous benefactors, I was able to navigate through it all. I may not be an angel beneficiary anymore, but a proud and child graduate. Thank you.
エンチャイル卒業した皆さん。
To the chairman of the board, Mr. Takanori Tadate, our Japanese sponsor delegates, to our local coordinator, Mr. Johnny Walongaita, to our OIC principal, Ma'am Leonor Wahing, guests, parents, and child beneficiaries, good morning. Here I am standing in front of you today, not as a beneficiary anymore, but a proud and child graduate. On June 4, 2024, I finally wore my toga and received my diploma of Bachelor of Science in Nursing. We may see wonderful pictures posted online and full of congratulations wishes. But I hope you also have to acknowledge the things each graduate went through just to finish what they have started. My child family is with me since I was in elementary. They saw how I grew up and performed my roles and responsibilities in life. I was not born with a silver spoon. I am not privileged enough to get things I want, such as enrolling to university. As a daughter in my own family, I learned how to stood up against those challenges. Initially, my parents really can't afford nursing course. With its complexities, I almost had to give up my dream until a relative of mine offered to help. That's why I'm forever grateful to the people who helped me, and one of that is my child family. I can definitely say that I am in the right track. The morals being taught in child and the philosophies I gained in nursing were in parallel. The fact that my future work teaches how to care and live for the sake of others really enhanced the things that child imparted to me from the very start. In nursing, we are trained to be selfless. We do a lot of voluntary works. We care for others. We stay with them. We provide them what they need. We carry out doctor's order to help them. We promote health as well as the holistic well-being of patients. And yes, child possess all of that. To name a few, during pandemic, together with my co-beneficiaries of Ambago, we were able to do that. child has this idea, and we, the beneficiaries, are the doers. We managed to push through the Paskong Handog activity and the Christmas charity project. Aside from that, child kept having online activities and constantly asked us how we are doing, which made me happy that even if the world turned into chaos, they are still consistent with the words that came out from their mouth, love beyond borders. child has awakened a deep sense of purpose in me. They fueled up my passion to serve people. I've received and heard greetings of congratulations and I'm proud of you after my graduation ceremony. But this time, it's appropriate and my turn to tell congratulations and I'm proud of you, child, for having or successfully producing child graduates. Indeed, it calls for a celebration and a happy 20th anniversary to all of us. Thank you and mabuhay.
何よりもこの20周年という記念の場に、この場に皆さんにメッセージを送りましょうと感謝を申し上げます。